Hey, I'm Ray. We're here today to show you just how much a dryer vent cleaning can help you. We're going to take a couple readings and shorten this video up a little bit so it's watchable in a reasonable amount of time. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to turn the dryer on, go outside, take a couple readings, get down here, try to show you what we can. This is just stuff that's came out over the years. Really seeing they're very good, so I'm going to take a reading here with our anemometer. Okay, we're going to measure the velocity of the airflow through this dryer vent right now, and it looks like it's your numbers there are 1,080, 1,090 feet per minute. So we're going to head pull everything loose here.
So they're probably going to, yeah, they get off front now. You did the same thing.
Okay, we're going to hook up the auger with the brush. Hard to kind of see, it's a little dark in here. Make sure everything's hooked up out here. Show you the inside. Pull the lint screen out. Okay, nothing there. Okay, here's a better view. I'm gonna check, make sure we are not out the other side yet, because it's about a 15 to 20 foot run. Okay, we're not out yet, so we're gonna run a little bit more. Turn both of your motors on. Right. Okay, we're all the way through, and we're gonna pull it back. While both of the motors on the vacuum are sucking, go ahead. Ready? Go ahead and pull back. Okay, we're going to show you what's inside this thing that we got from this. You want to see what's in? Yeah, go ahead and open it up. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Hold it. Now, all of that was inside of that dryer vent. Okay.
Oh no, this wonder I didn't have a fire.
I'm going to try to prop this up where everybody can read it. And let's see what we got here. Okay, we're at 1653, 1673. Roughly, you can see the difference right there. So that's pretty substantial. So anybody who needs this done, give us a call.